What is the Mobile Turner 3300? The Mobile Turner 3300 is an electric-powered mobile pallet inverter designed to exchange pallets for different types of loads. It's ideal for small and confined warehouses that don't have a dedicated pallet changing area or need to exchange pallets in multiple locations. It's the first mobile pallet exchanger machine ever designed, and since its launch, we have sold over 5,000 units. Why did we design the Mobile Turner 3300? We need to talk about history here. The first pallet changing machine we designed was in 1988, and it was a stationary pallet inverter, requiring the pallet exchange operation to be performed in a dedicated area of the warehouse. One day, a client presented a different need. They required to exchange pallets in multiple areas of the warehouse. This to us was an eye-opening moment. To meet the specific market demand, we developed the Mobile Turner 3300, the first ever mobile pallet inverter, and since then, we have sold over 5,000 units. Designed from scratch, tested, and improved over the years, it remains one of our best-selling solutions. How does the pallet changing cycle work? The Mobile Turner 3300 facilitates the pallet exchange operation by tilting the load 90 degrees and flipping it over 180 degrees, allowing the operator to remove the pallet and insert the desired one manually. Once the new pallet is manually inserted, the load is tilted back and returned to its original position. How many changes can the Mobile Turner do an hour? The Mobile Turner is a lower volume unit, but it's still capable of exchanging 18 to 20 pallets per hour. Being a mobile machine, it is ran on a battery, and the battery can withstand about 100 to 110 operations before needing to be recharged. What types of products can the mobile pallet inverter handle? It can handle any product that fits within its 3,300 weight capacity, and of course, if it could be momentarily overturned. From there, anything works. What are some of the advanced features of the Mobile Turner 3300? The Mobile Turner is very unique because it's mobile, so it can be used in different areas of the warehouse. On top of that, it has a high weight capacity for a mobile machine of 3,300. My final thoughts on the Mobile Turner 3300. It is personally my favorite machine and is one of our best-selling units in our range of production. It has enabled numerous businesses to optimize their operations, resulting in significant time and cost savings.